In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your audience from Mailchimp. Whether you're organizing your contact list or simply need a backup, this process is both straightforward and essential for managing your communications effectively. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, look toward the top of the page where you'll find several navigation options. We're going to focus on audience. Go ahead and click on that. This section is where all your contacts are housed and where you manage your subscriber relationships. Navigating to the audience section is your first step in accessing your valuable contact data. Once you're in the audience section, you'll notice several drop-down menus and options. We're interested in managing our contacts, so find Manage Contacts among the options. Click on Manage Contacts, and you'll be presented with a further set of actions you can take with your audience data. Here, we want to choose Export Audience. Selecting this will initiate the export process for all of your audience data in Mailchimp. After clicking Export Audience, Mailchimp will take a moment to compile your data. You'll see a notice at the top of your screen indicating that your export is in progress. Now, all you need is a bit of patience. Generally, this doesn't take very long, but it can vary depending on the size of your audience. Once the export is complete, Mailchimp will provide you with a zip file containing your audience data. This file is ready for you to download and use as needed. Go ahead and download the zip file. Your audience data is now captured in this compact, secure form. Next, we need to extract the contents of this zip file. On most computers, you can do this by simply double-clicking the file. This will create a new folder with the extracted files. Inside, you'll find a CSV file. This CSV file contains all your audience information in an easy-to-read and organized format. Now it's time to open the CSV file. To do that, you'll want to use spreadsheet software that you're comfortable with, such as Excel or Google Sheets. If you choose Excel, simply open the program and locate the extracted CSV file to load it. Alternatively, if you prefer using Google Sheets, open a new spreadsheet and import your CSV file through the File menu. Both options will allow you to view and manage your data effectively. In summary, by following these steps, you've successfully exported and accessed your audience data from Mailchimp. This gives you control and flexibility over how you use and manage your contacts, ensuring that you have everything you need at your fingertips. Feel free to revisit any part of this process if needed, and thank you for joining me in this tutorial today.